y'all doing this evening? Well, really this night. Everything looking good so on my end so far. Just got it going smooth, good, clean, easy. I got a good build for you here. I noticed that I made a mistake on my 580 build. Wasn't paying attention to, well, basically not paying attention to the parts. It's not paying attention to the CPU. It was a Radeon 5 3600. That the processor don't have an integrated GPU added into the card, added into the CPU. So I couldn't use the onboard graphics with that CPU, and the board I was using was the A520, but I did that build with the GPU better and perfected. But right now I'm gonna get on with my $450 PC build list. I know the economy's rough right now, but when the economy comes out of it, you can go ahead and build this PC for streaming, Hulu, Spotify, Netflix, a little bit of home office work, browsing the internet. You may do a little editing, such as music, whatever you like to do with it. This PC will do it for you, and you can also upgrade it down the line later on with the latest CPUs, and you can add a GPU onto it. I know the new Radeon card's coming out. I'll be doing a video on that because I think that they should continue selling the Founders Edition, then the reference third-party manufactured cards, which I think they're suck because they look more like the 20 series, and I don't want nothing looking like the old series. If we got these new Ampere GPUs coming out, which is better in performance, better in quality, and I don't need nothing looking like the 20 series. So I'm gonna go ahead and be doing the video on that soon, and hoping that in the video continue selling a Founders Edition. Why? Because they're giving us a better look to the future, and with that GPU that they did at their launch, it's phenomenal. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead on with my build, and here we go. I am with this is $450 build. I am using the do-it-yourself Dragon R-4LED PC case, pairing that with the Corsair EVGA LPX dual kit 16GB. Along with that, there will be the CPU, Be Quiet Pure Rock Slim CPU. With that, there is the AMD A6 9500 dual core 3.5 GHz CPU with the Radeon R5 graphic included in the CPU. With that, that will be paired with the ASROCK A320M-HDV motherboard with the Western Digital Blue 500GB hard disk drive, 7200 RPM, solid 6GB per second, teaming that with the ADATa Ultimate Series SU800 256GB internal SSD. Along with that, to push all this power would be the EVGA 600 BA power supply. The total build is $422.61, putting it well under $450. Just like I said, this is a great build. If everything goes well, maybe next year I might be building this for myself and putting that on my YouTube, because this is a great build. With that, I might be teaming it with the RTX 3070 CPU card. Yes, sir. Kicking it up a little bit with the Radeon 5 3600 for my build. Hopefully next year. Right now, my PCs are going strong. I love them. I got two builds. I got one based on the AM2 processor, AM2 motherboard that I put together in 2011, and recently I just put together FM2 motherboard build. They running perfectly. They're running strong. They do everything I love it to do, and I ain't complaining about it. So To all my new PC builders, if you love this here price list, go ahead on and purchase it. It'll be in my description. If you want to wait for a little bit till the economy gets better, everything jump back up, then go ahead and jump right on in and go ahead and purchase this for yourself. All right, my YouTubers. Love y'all. Peace.